Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word mixer. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I used the electric mixer to whip the cream for the dessert. A mixer is a kitchen appliance used to blend, mix, or whip ingredients together quickly and efficiently, often used in baking or cooking. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.